Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about Python data types. In Python, each value has a data type that determines what operations can be performed on it. So, common data types are integer, float, string, boolean, list, tuple, and dictionary. So, let's see by the examples. At first, we take age equal to 21, and by type function, we if we print it, it gives us integer. So the type of the age variable is integer. Next, we take age 1 equal to 21.02, and if we apply the type function on it, then it gives us the float. Basically, float represents numbers with decimal points. Next, if we take a equal to data science, it basically gives us the string, and string represents text enclosed within single, double, or triple quotes. Next, we take a equal to true, and it basically gives us the boolean. So boolean represents true or false value. Next, we take b equal to some square in some square bracket 1 2 3 4, the four integer numbers. So if we check the type of b, it basically gives us list. So list represents an ordered collection of items enclosed within square brackets and separated by commas. And next, we take c equal to 4 5 6 7 within a um, round bracket, and if we check the type of c, it basically gives us tuple. So tuple similar to list but immutable, enclosed within parentheses. And uh, and at last, we take d equal to in some curly bracket the key value pair. Here we take p as key value and key as key, and the value of the p is 2, and it basically separated by some colons, and the q is the key and the value is 3 and separated by some colon. And if we check the type of d, it basically gives us the dictionary. So dictionary represents a collection of key value pairs enclosed within the curly brackets. uh, some illustration of the key value pair and the dictionary. So uh, dictionaries are created using curly braces with key value pairs and separated by colon. In this example, we take p the key and the value is 2, and q is the key and 3 is the value. So uh, basically, we are creating a dictionary with keys p and q, each associated with the values 2 and 3 respectively. So the data types are the most important concept in Python. So thank you guys.